Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I'm Kayla and I wanted to come on and make a video about Daisy, my pet monkey that Dakota got me for Christmas, and I do have an unboxing of that if you haven't seen it, and I will link that below in the description. And so I wanted to tell you a little bit about Daisy. I've had lots of questions about where she came from and how can I get one. So I'm going to leave a link below where you can order yourself a Daisy, or whatever. Her real name is not Daisy. I named her Daisy. I think her name might be Tabitha or something like that. And so I'll leave a link below where you can find her at and order one for yourself. So anyway, I had made Daisy this yellow dress trimmed in white. It is a bag-o-day pattern. And I'll leave the link for that below. But anyway, it's a real easy pattern. Crystal's patterns are very easy to follow. And so I had made her this, and then I made her this headband that is also Crystal's pattern. But then instead of the flower that Crystal made, I had made that flower before for my great niece in a headband like this. But I wanted to make something that looked more like a daisy since her name is Daisy. So I did that daisy flower and put on the headband for her. But anyway, I love this. I just love her. She is so adorable, so cute. You can see she has a diaper on. That's the diaper that it came on her. But anyway, lots of people have asked where they can get a Daisy, and so I wanted to do a little video about her and leave a link where you too can be a monkey mama. Oh, look at the hair on her arms. Okay, the hair is a little bit creepy. But as she's just sitting somewhere, like I've had her in my yarn room, just sitting there, she just looks adorable. And she has hair on her legs. And look at those little feet. To me, her feet are adorable. She has a cloth body. But who wouldn't want to have a monkey? A baby monkey. Everyone needs a baby monkey. Look at that face. And she does have a pacifier. Anyway, I don't know the number of the tutorial for Crystal's dress, but I will leave the link below for it, but I can't remember the number right off my head. Anyway, so I'm going to leave a link where if you want to order a monkey for yourself or for someone you love, you can order one also. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.